In this section you will learn how to change price in your existing inventory. Go to the menu bar on the top of the screen. Click Inventory. Select Price List. A new window will open. In this window all your items are listed with your prices. You can see that you have different pricing levels, such as you can have MRP, cost, and selling price. You can print your price list by clicking the Print button, that is located on bottom right corner of the screen. You can also export to Microsoft Excel by clicking the Export button. Notice the bottom part of the screen. Some useful shortcuts are mentioned here. Press F3. Your cursor will go to the search box. Now search the item you want to change price. Press down key to select the item and press Enter. In this window you can see that you can set a batch number, MRP, purchase price and selling price separately. You may choose to skip the batch field if you are not using batch. Enter MRP. The tax percentage is displayed here. Now you can see that you have two different options to enter the price. You can enter the price inclusive of taxes or exclusive of taxes. Enter the purchase price, that is with tax. The cost of the item is automatically calculated excluding the tax. Either way you can enter the cost in this field, and the purchase price is calculated including the tax. Remember the role of pricing. Your items are evaluated with the cost price. That is tax excluded price. Now enter the selling price. You can enter the selling price with tax or without tax, same as the purchase price. When you enter the price with tax, your tax excluded price is calculated automatically. When you create a retail invoice, you can use the price with tax. This price can be used for non-GST registered customers. When you create a GST invoice for your customer, you can use the tax excluded price. In this case, your tax will be calculated separately with gross amount in the invoice. Press Enter to save. The window will close after save. Now go to the price list. Press F3 and search the item again. You can see that your price is updated in your price list. Thank you.